Hello friends, welcome to the world of GDC Coin. GDC Coin is an Ethereum-operated cryptocurrency. This is the safest cryptocurrency run by a blockchain. So friends, let's know about the GDC Coin and the community promotion plan of it. Friends, people used to practice a barter system, but it was full of complexities. Hence, they started using gold in their business. But due to the shortage of the gold, coins were also made up of the various materials. It has changed with time and today we use paper currency or metal coins. But creation, distribution and safety of the paper currency is a challenge. Paper currency provokes bribing and it always has a threat of theft. Also, fake paper currencies are created in all over the world. Digital transaction came as an answer of all these problems and is now being used in every business. But digital transaction also has a threat of cyber attack and mobile phishing. In 2009, blockchain-operated cryptocurrency has come up as a solution to this problem. So, let's understand what is GDC Coin. Today, Bitcoin and Ethereum are the most trusted cryptocurrencies in the world. Ethereum-operated Global Digital Cash Coin or GDC Coin is one of those trusted currencies. Global Digital Cash Company is into the forex trading for the past 16 to 17 years. Based on this experience, it started working with the cryptocurrency and introduced GDC Coin in June 2016. GDC Coin is the company registered in UK. GDC Coin is a block of 70 lakh coins which is operated by Ethereum. From June 2016, the GDC Coin started the promotion and provided a better opportunity to join the GDC Coin. You can connect to GDC Coin through various plans. The first investment plan is $100, which is equivalent to about 7,000 rupees. The second investment plan is $500, which is equivalent to about 35,000 rupees. Third investment plan is of $1,000 is equal to nearly 70,000 rupees. Fourth investment plan is of $5,000 is equal to nearly 3,50,000 rupees. Fifth investment plan is of $10,000 is equal to nearly 7 lakh rupees. We have amazing investment return plans for you. First is investment return. Second is promotion income. And third is GDC Coin. Let us discuss all these plans in detail. First investment plan is investment return. By login with any investment plan, you will get daily 0.5% return after 48 hours that gives you 200% returns in 400 working days. Let's elaborate this with an example. Let's say you have invested 1,05,000 rupees. So with 0.5%, 525 into 400 equals to 2,10,000 is your investment return, to which you can get the returns by paying the service tax. Second return plan is promotion income. You can add a member in the company and double the income. You can earn 10% direct income by adding your first member in the company. You can also get 5% matching bonus and level income. It is for 1 to 5 level, 1%. For 6 to 25 level, 0.25%. For 26 to 100 level, 0.10%. Third amazing plan is GDC Coin. You can be a part of the company by buying GDC Coin from your earned investment return. Like all other cryptocurrencies, cost of the GDC Coin is rising. In 2017, cost of one GDC Coin was $0.01 and it has risen till $77, means 5,390 rupees in May 2021. GDC Coin is rising rapidly with all its specialities. GDC coins have a limit of 70 lakh coins, due to which its cost can go upwards at its best. GDC Coin has a listing scheme of $470. It will be listed in 80 to 100 countries along with the Bitcoin, Ethereum and other cryptocurrencies. You can start trading in the World Exchanger after the listing of the GDC coin. You can shop in the online market through GDC coin in future. Cryptocurrency will soon be considered as an asset like gold in the near future. So friends, please join us with the GDC coin and be a part of this future currency. Thank you.